welcome to another episode of Grateful
Every day.
I'm Pat and she's
Lechi.
And today, since it's Leji's birthday, Tito Fred Reyes of Cameron sent us Fragrance Play Kids Edition! Yay! Okay, we'll be junior chemists for today. And so, we're going to make our own perfume!
Yeah.
Let's unbox it. We removed all the bubble wrap to make this easier. Also, just lift the tab. Okay. Whee! Thank you, Tita Coco, for sending pancet and medicine droppers. Okay. Just call Dr. Mariko Yamanaka for your home injection needs. So, if you need a flu vaccine, pneumococcal, or whatever vaccine you need for kids, just call her, Dr. Mariko Yamanaka. Later, we'll taste the pancet she gave us. Okay, and going back to the fragrance play, we took advantage of the 9/9 sale and we ordered essential oils.
Yeah.
And Tito Fred gave us an additional fragrance play kit for kids. Okay, so inside you have 2 fragrance oil bottles. Can you read what's this?
Star.
This one. E. Dream.
Dream.
Dream. Okay, let's smell if it really smells like star. Does it smell like the star? Mmm. So we decorated the house with stars because we were inspired by the Little Prince. Okay, so this one is Dream. Does it smell like a good dream or a bad dream?
A cookie.
Okay, so the instructions here indicate that we should pour 15 ml of fragrance oil into an empty 120 ml mixing bottle. So it's properly labeled. So this one is the
Mixed bottle.
mixing bottle. Okay, so this one is for her. So which one's for you? Do you like the star better or the dream better?
The star.
The star. Okay, so we'll just pour in the entire 15 ml of this. So it's labeled 15 ml. So just pour. See that? It's pouring. Okay. So you just wait for it to transfer, and then later you add 0.5 ml of fixative.
Once done, you put some vanilla there.
Okay. So 0.5 ml of fixative. Does it come with the dropper? Okay. So since it comes with a dropper, you can just estimate like 1 drop is 0.5 ml. And then combine 3 ml of DPG.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
It's almost
DPG is dipropylene glycol. Okay, so it's 15 ml. Okay. Just 3 ml DPG. So 3 drops. Leon refuses to wear pants today. It's so funny.
enjoy, Leon.
But he allowed me to
Wow.
cut his hair so he
Wow.
would look like
Wow.
Park Bogum. Leon, no playing with the ball while we're doing a chemistry experiment. takes a while for it to
Mommy,
empty.
then not rip.
I'm wearing clips. So you can do that.
It's me for nothing. Yay, Daddy, what your favorite point? Are you kidding?
Okay, so now it's empty. So we assume we've already poured in 15 ml of starch. Okay. So we'll put 0.5 ml of fixative. Fixative. Here. Here's the fixative. Can't read. There, fixative. Okay, 0.5 ml. We don't need a dropper, I guess.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, Mom.
one drop.
One
One
drop.
drop. One drop.
One drop. Okay.
0.5. And then we put 3 ml of DPG. So 3 drops of dipropylene glycol. Leon loves to play with the decker. Okay, 3 drops of this one.
Yeah.
1. Is it working? 1, 2. Oh, it's not coming out.